How to make dense foam? We need to find the best position to make milk foam. Keep the steam wand, nozzle, and hands in a straight line. Find a position on the left or right, either 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock direction. This will create a vortex when the air is taken in. Note, this vortex effect is crucial for the formation of microfoam. If it is in the middle of the pitcher, the vortex will be more chaotic, rolling up and down. If you don't hear the squeaking sound of air intake, you can move the cup upwards and put the steam nozzle in the liquid to make dense milk foam. So how long does it take to froth the milk? Aim for something between these two temperatures, 55 to 60 degrees centigrade. Clean and purge the steam wand. A dense milk foam is finished.